Here's how to put YouTube videos on repeat or loop. Now open up the YouTube app if you're on an iPhone or an Android, and I'll also show you how to do it if you're on a computer going to youtube.com. Now you can do this for any video you want, but I'm going to tap on you at the bottom right and then tap on view channel because I want to do it for one of my videos. Now I'm going to tap on videos here and let's just do this most recent one. So I want to loop this video over and over and over. Now, to be able to do that on here, I'm going to swipe all the way over and I'm going to hit the save button next to download. So just tap on save here. And the key is we're going to tap new playlist and create a playlist just for that video or multiple videos that we want to loop. Now from here, I'm just going to name this loop and you can set it to private or public. It doesn't really matter in this case. And now we'll hit create. Now we need to navigate to that playlist. So I'm going to tap on you at the very bottom right. And you'll be able to see towards the bottom there are my playlists. I can hit view all and there is that looped playlist. Now here's the key. Once you're in that specific playlist, all you need to do is start saying the play all. So I'm going to hit the play all. And now if I pause it, you can see at the bottom left here under loop, it has that little loop icon and I can finally loop this. So I can tap on that icon. You can see it has a little dot through it. And if I'll fast forward to the very end, you'll be able to see if I play it at the very end, all it will do is just loop back over to the very beginning again. Now, let's say you're not on a mobile phone, you're on a computer. It's even easier on a computer because if you're on that specific video that you wanted to loop, all you need to do is right click on the video itself and you'll be able to see there will pop up with a bunch of different options. One of them is loop. You just check that button and it'll loop infinitely.